And some pieces of equipment, when you add it in, there's so many points that come in that you're not going to be able to fit it all onto one graphic. So in this example, we have 3 water heaters. The water heaters, if you look underneath of them, they all have all this information under each one. So what was done is that a general graphic was made which included all 3 water heaters just to give you basic information, whether or not it's enabled, what the multi-state values are, what the temperatures are. And then if you wanted to have specific data on each water heater, a hyperlink was created to another graphic that was created. So the other graphic that was created would have that specific information that would be relative to which water heater you're navigated to. So if you go to the preview, you can see that this one is with water heater 3. You click on this hyperlink to go back to the general tab of the water heaters. And then if you want to do water heater 2 data, then you just click on that hyperlink, and that gives you all the information from that if you're trying to troubleshoot it. So it's just a way to include more information but not have too much on one page.